everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Yes, we are out at Dover's. We talked about that in the last video that we was going to come out here, and they have got a tractor, and they are, I guess they're pulling the motor out of the gray car. Here, let me take this off here and turn you guys around so you can see this. You got Caleb sitting there. Look at me. Look at Caleb. What's he doing? They got the tractor out. They got the big guns out. You know what? I think I'm gonna park the car over here because of that. Let's back it up. I don't want to get in their way. Oh, they got the sawzall out. They are doing some cutting. Cutting it up. Oh, there she lit. There she went. Oh, there she goes. No. That's one way. All right, so a lot has happened to Lee's car since the last time I showed it to you. And as you can see, the engine is in it. And I got a little footage I'm gonna throw right here of the blower sitting on it before they took the blower off. But got the blower off and it's sitting over here. And they've got the rear end all in it. As you see, it's powder coated. Got the cover on it. Man, it is nice. And it has the fuel tank in it. Now, if you remember, this one has the fuel tank with the 3 Air Motive 340 fuel pumps. And he's got the fuel line started, but they ran into an issue. They didn't have the right fitting, so they're going to have to get some fittings to finish the fuel system. But this thing is going to be a monster. Now, if you haven't been watching it, it's got a Tremec T56 Magnum in it. Of course, it's got the Gen 2 Coyote motor with the oil pump gears. It's got the 2.9 Whipple going on it. Yeah, it's going to be evil. So this thing should be done, I don't know. Don't want to put a timeline on it, but it will be at Ford Takeover. I don't think it's going to be completely finished by then, but I think they're hauling it there. So if you're at Ford Takeover on May the 4th in Jackson, Tennessee, you'll be able to see this car in person. And then this car, I think they're going to make a push for it. I'm talking to Alex, and it should be ready to rock and roll by Ford Takeover. And Corey's working on some things. Oh, yeah. One other thing I want to show you. This is George's motor. George has the gray car sitting over there. But I want you to look at this. I showed you the blower in one other video, but, man, just look at that. The VMP Gen 2R. The 2.3 supercharger with a 79mm pulley. This thing's gonna flat out move in that car. I mean, that's similar setup to what I had in my 17, and it flew. Cannot wait. So yeah, guys, a lot of things going on out here. I haven't did a video out here in a while to catch you guys up, but I figured I would do that today. Since I gave you guys an update inside the shop, we're out here in the boneyard is what I call it. It's kind of cars that have came here to kind of, I don't know, maybe die, maybe be resurrected one day, who knows. That is Todd's 4i car, and yeah, he's had it for a minute now and don't know what he's going to do with it. And then we got the LTD right here. I think Cody was interested in this at one point in time, taking it and doing something crazy with it. Making a sleeper. Yeah, this thing would be an awesome sleeper. When I was in high school, I had a buddy, and I had a Malibu, and he had an LTD. He had a 302 in it, and I had a 305 in a Malibu. And I just remember after school, leaving school, and we would just have fun and run each other and just have a blast. Way back in the day. Memories, right, guys? It's amazing what brings back memories. Some of these cars wouldn't make a bad drag car, to be honest with you. Just, and of course, I wouldn't never do a convertible, even though this does have a little cage in it somewhat. A roll bar, rather. And then you got this car. Gotta watch out for snakes and wasps and everything else back here. But a lot of these cars are just used for parts. Who knows, maybe one day one of them will get drugged back out and brought back. Alright, so earlier in the video I talked about Corey doing something, and this is it. This is his 86 hatch. And we are going to be putting a Coyote with a power glide in it. So we're going to get it pushed in right now. There we go.
Remember, it's got a spool.
Yep. And you can tell this guy's pulling it. There we go. Ladies are turning, push it straight, ain't it? Yep.
Got enough jack stand.
All right, this car has got a 9-inch rear end up under it, built 9-inch rear end up under it, and it is getting, we talked about this before, but it is getting this Coyote engine. Of course, we're fixing to put, we got a Mustang oil pump. It's a truck engine. We got a Mustang oil pump. We're going to put oil pump gears in it and sprocket and get it ready to go. Also, yes, there's the power glide right there. It's already on it. So, power glide, Coyote. It's got 456 gears in the rear end with a 9-inch. It's gonna be evil, guys. Can't wait till it's done.
Get over you. Put it right on. Yeah, I like it right now.
All right, so we're getting ready to pull the K member out of this, and we're gonna put the K member in for the Coyote, the coilovers, and everything like that. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna be working on this car, and I'll be bringing you video as we make progress with it. But cannot wait to see it done. I think it's gonna be the first build to come out of here that's meant specifically for tainted track and drag racing. He does a lot of bracket racing, and I think this would be a great car for that. But anyway, guys, well, I'll keep you posted as we make progress with it. It's going to be exciting, and then hopefully this car will be done by Ford Takeover. We will see, and who knows, maybe others will be done before Ford Takeover. Guys, I'm going to end this video here. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you next time.